Hi, hello everyone. This is Vincent from Hongkuan Kingchuan. Now I will introduce our some hot selling products with you. First one, this is our 160 watt AC charging station
with a screen.
Yeah, this is on this screen you can see all the port information on this screen, like the charging watt, the data speed, and the resolution of the HDMI and the internet. And
nice.
And you can see the port is AC power port. To compare to the DC power adapter, the AC power port will be more convenient to take and help you to save much shipping cost. And these three models are they are 1.0. And on this USB hub, you can see also can see a screen on the screen.
So it's showing on the screen what is connected.
This cable is connected to a laptop, and on the screen you also can see the PD charging watt and the HDMI resolution and the USB-A and the USB-C the port data speed.
Nice. And it's just a switch button?
Yeah, this is the switch button. And this button also have another function. If you press on this button for 3 seconds, it can help you to lock your laptop.
Lock it? Oh, yeah. Nice. Is there any safe disconnect function to not lose data on the pens?
On this desk, you can see our board design is a 3-in-1 wireless charger. You can see the light is very fashionable. And this part is for the earphone, and this part is for Apple Watch, and this part is for your mobile phone. It supports iPhone 55 watt charging.
Nice.
And
so many other ones.
What our 3-in-1 wireless charger.
Nice.
And on this side, you can see our power bank and the PD wall charger. You can see different the plug grade, like the EU plug and the US plug, and the UK include different watt, like 65 watt and 30 watt and 20 watt.
Is this one a lot of capacity, a lot of power?
Yeah, this is a desk AC charging station.
Including multi-plug?
Yes. You can see you can use this charger via this USB-A port or USB-C port, or you can see the different plug grade.
Wow, cool. And what's going on over here? What is this technology here?
On this desk, you can see our Apple Find My accessory. This is a card design Apple Find My. You can use this card to connect to your iPhone, so you can see the location on your iPhone everywhere.
Nice. All right.
And on this side, you can see the different ID design. They are also our Apple Find My accessory, and this one supports USB-C charging. Is our new style Apple Find My, and this model is our new style, support both Apple and Google system. And we also have another interesting design. Is this 75 watt car charger. On this car charger, there is Apple Find My built in here. So when you plug this car charger in your car, you can see the car location on your iPhone. And this is our some USB hub adapter.
Some here with
4K. This is 8K.
4K 60, 4K 60.
Yes, this is
3.
Yes,
3 HDMI outputs. And this was just one.
Yeah, this 40.
And this is another.
And this is AC charging USB docking. It's 140 watt. It's
nice.
very small, and the size is.
And what is the highlight here you want to show?
Yeah. And this is our Thunderbolt 5 docking. It's our new design, and the certification is already finishing.
Nice. So it's got a lot of performance.
Yes, you can see the port on here, 2.5G internet and USB 2.0. And
80 gigabit
and
or even 120.
It also supports 120 Gbps.
Wow, that's a lot of bandwidth. All right, cool. But thanks a lot for showing. And what is the history of your company? How long time you've been doing this business?
Sorry?
How old is the factory, the company?
Our company is more than 10 years experience on USB hub and docking, but we also can produce much more products like Apple Find My and the wireless charger and the power bank and other accessories, because we have more than 13 engineers in our company, so we have much experience on all mobile phone and accessories.
Like even this, like there's a keyboard, but that's a built-in.
Yeah, it's a combined USB hub and the USB cable. This is a very interesting design.
Nice.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology connects the future today.